What is up, YouTube? It's I, Chaos. Ooh, I got an interesting video for you guys today. You see, my friend Jane, I don't even know how to pronounce his name, but he's my friend, trust me, he's a friend of mine. I really like the guy, he's really cool. He posted on Twitter about this new airplane by a company called Faraday Aerospace. So, this company is, well, they're having a laugh. This has got to be a joke. It's seriously got to be a joke, right? I don't even know where to start with this thing. This episode might be a little bit long for Chaos Daily, but I have to point this out because people need to understand just what people do in order to get investment money for stuff. And then they run away with the money and the project falls apart, right? This is bad for electric aviation industry, right? These are the sort of things that come around and they're concepts, okay? They're ideas. They're not going to work, right, for many reasons. And I'm going to go over just some of the reasons. I won't go into detail because then I'm going to need several videos to explain all of the stupid that is this plane. It's really gorgeous. I love the look of it. It's an amazing concept. I would love to build an RC airplane. In fact, this might even be the RC airplane we built. But it's not going to be a full-size aircraft. It's not going to be a passenger aircraft. It's just not going to happen. So let's have a look at it. So here it is, right? I mean, like I said, it is gorgeous. Is it not? This is a gorgeous airplane, right? What else is there to say other than it's gorgeous? But they're okay, just straight off the bat, these three wings, it's a triplane. They are separated longitudinally along the axis, but they meet to a common point at the wingtips. So the top one is backswept, the middle one is slightly backswept, and the bottom one is forward swept. That's not a problem. What is a problem is how close together they are. This is going to generate some serious turbulence between these wings, especially here in these corners. Like, I don't know who their aerodynamicist is, but this guy he's sleeping on the job, right? Because this concept is never... It will fly, but it's not going to be this amazing thing that they tout it to be on this website. But let's get into some of the other things, right? Hybrid electric, right? Now, they specifically... Now, the triple wing thing we've gone over, the carbon composites, not a problem. We build carbon composite aircraft all the time these days. Hybrid electric. I mean, why? Like, seriously, why? You have to save weight on aircraft. Weight is a premium, and you want to put a internal combustion engine or a turbine engine, you want to put some sort of fossil fuel engine or gas engine in this aircraft, as well as an electric engine, as well as the batteries? Like, what the fuck? What are you doing? Like, this makes no sense. The hybrid electric aircraft is dumb to the nth degree. It is so dumb. I will rant about this bullshit all day long. It is the dumbest thing ever, right? And it hurts the industry. It hurts the progression to sustainable electric aircraft, right? And they're doing all these fancy concepts for the military and stuff. It's bullshit. It's marketing propaganda. Next issue. Bioelectric hybrid. This is what they're calling it, a BEHA. Like, now they're giving some more marketing blurb to make it more legitimate. This is bullshit. Right? So you're telling me you're going to have a biodiesel engine, because all I can think of that is bio is a biodiesel turbine engine, right? Plus you want the electric motors, and you want hybrid, and you want to put solar panels on the roof so that you have, as they say, solar panels for always on cabin ground power. Well, this makes sense, right? This is okay. Like, planes sit around in the yard sometimes. If they're not flying, they can generate energy with their wing surfaces with solar panels. And they can charge up their batteries so that you don't have to apply ground power with a ground cart to start the engines and stuff. But this is bullshit, because why are you putting a fossil fuel or a biodiesel engine in this thing in the first place when your priority is weight limitations? Why? This makes no sense, right? I've looked at their press release, and it is literally just marketing garbage, all of it, right? Just they're touting big companies like Halliwell, Cambridge Consultants. These companies will want nothing to do with this. It makes no sense. If anybody is actually in an R&D department developing real technologies, they will not have anything to do with this, because this makes no sense to put a diesel engine or any kind of turbine engine in an aircraft with an electric system, with an electric power system, with batteries and everything. Putting them together, it makes no sense. Weight is a premium, and I'll keep going on about that, because that is the biggest thing why this is bullshit, right? And they keep just calling it the BEH, this abbreviation, as if it's some kind of magical new technology. It's the dumbest thing I've ever heard of. Hybrid electric turbine configuration. What? into fully electric. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is an evil. Why bother? Just go straight to the full electric aircraft. Like, they expect to deliver 300 units by 2030. By the time 2025 rolls around, we will have batteries good enough to build this plane without the generator. I'm killing my mic at the moment. I'm just so... this is so stupid. Like, this needs to get out there. This is dumb, and like people need to know about how dumb this is, right? They only want to build 300 of them by 2030. Like, why bother? Seriously, why bother? Just build the electric plane. Build the batteries in the electric powertrain. You'll save so much more weight. Like, just... Okay, I'm going to stop the video. I'm just going to stop there, okay? Because I'm just getting triggered. This is... Am I wrong here? Am I wrong? Like, tell me I'm wrong. Because I'm not. I'm telling you now I'm not. It's physics. And they're laughing at physics. And people who laugh at physics are just dumb, okay? Because it's physics. It doesn't care what you think. It doesn't care about your opinion. It is the fact of the universe. And the fact of the universe is that is a dumb idea. And people should know about it. And anyways, I've been Chaos. This has been Chaos Daily episode 7. As always, expect the unexpected. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.
And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.